And can I go fishing? I'm going fishing. I'm going. On my way, about to go ahead and rip some lips, as they say. Do some fishing. Gonna get down, you know what I'm saying? I'll meet y'all at the fishing spot. Who that? Alright, gotta go. Alright, so I'm in the woods now. Walking through my spot. The guy back there told me it's a bunch of big catfish. Said he seen them. Said he seen them down here. So the bad thing is, all I got is lures. I don't even have nothing to fish for catfish with. I'm just trying to catch a few of these shoal bass. This will be my second time fishing in this creek this year, so I don't know what it's gonna be looking like. But yeah, man, every now and then, man, you know, you just gotta take you a good day to fish, man. You know, I had to ask the wife for permission. You know, but you know, I'll take my day of fishing though. You know, I'll take my day. I was just playing. Nah, I gotta keep her in mind. You know, probably shouldn't have said that now. She know I love her. Oh, got some movement in the water already. These briars and stuff. See this? See this? I gotta walk down. So I see y'all when I get down there. I don't want to slip and fall, so like I gotta put this on pause right now. Alright, here we go. So I'm here at the spot now. Show y'all what I'm fishing with here. I'm gonna try to throw my little bait cast a little bit. Gotta get back used to it. Now I'm not a professional at all, so some of y'all professional fishermen that might be looking at this, you know, hey, if you got any tips for me, let me know please, because I do want to catch more fish. But I got my, let me open my box up right quick. Show y'all what I'm gonna be using today. Down here in the creek. Let's see. Do I got it? Do I even got it with me? Probably need to buy some more and I forgot. We got some of those. Ah, here we go. I got one more fluke left, y'all. No, I got two more. Here we go. Little fluke there. This one kind of beat up, but we're gonna see what it's talking about right here. So it's what we're gonna be using. So let me go ahead and get this camera set up right quick. Make sure you're recording, buddy. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna use my open face today, because I don't really have my my bait caster set up properly yet. I don't feel like wasting any more time, so rip some lips. I'm gonna come see it one day. I'm gonna bring you some one day. I'm just fishing for bass today. You said a bucket of red wiggler? Really? Really? Alright, I got you. That's that guy was telling me about. Yeah, he telling me to get some wigglers and drop them right up under that bridge right up there. Got some big blue cats. So I'm probably gonna try that next time I come out. So not getting much on my fluke. The next step is to probably work a black worm, since the water here is like a darkish brownish greenish color, and I've had success in the past just using a black worm. I know they're in here. Like I said, I'm not a professional or anything, so don't hold me to it. I'd be happy if I just come out here with one fish today, man. Next time though, I'm gonna get some of the red wigglers. It's like dude up there, I don't know who he is, but apparently he's caught some big catfish in this area, so we're gonna see what's going on, man. I'm gonna try to work on with this black culprit. That black culprit. So we're gonna see what's going on. Make sure you're in focus. There we go. Black culprit. All right, looks like didn't catch any fish today. You know, some of them days it just be like that. But maybe next time, you know, I find it a little bit better. I gotta position this camera right. Get all y'all in there. So next time I probably get me some live bait, you know, some red wigglers like the man said. Get some of them big blue cats that come out of the creek. And hopefully next time I have a little bit more success. Again, if you got any tips for me, let me know. Cause I like catching fish too, like eating them. So I see y'all later on the next big adventure. Signing off. Bye. Chase, what you doing, bro? You tripping.